Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to order a cake from Walmart. To order a delicious cake from Walmart, you can follow these simple steps, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. To order a cake online on Walmart, you will need to go to the Walmart custom cake page. So in order to do that, first of all, open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in walmart.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure to sign into your Walmart account first, and once you are in, click on the service button at the top left-hand corner. Now select custom cakes, and then you can design your own cake or see full cake catalog and order one from the catalog. To customize your own cake, click on design your own cake. Now select a cake you would like to customize from the options displayed on the screen. Click on Customize Cake once you find the cake you would like to customize, and select the size for the cake, the flavor, fillings, and icing. You can also select other options like top border and bottom borders. Make sure you customize your cake according to your preference, and you can also add some decorations on the cake. Once your cake is ready, if you have any personalized message you would want to add, you can do so as well, and then click on checkout. You may also need to enter your location to find a nearby store, and once you find the store you'd like to order the cake from, select your pickup date and finally click checkout. Now you can add other payment information, apply coupons if available. You'll also need to enter your mobile number and other contact details, and you will then be able to order your cake online. Your freshly baked cake will be waiting for you on your picked up dates. You can simply pick it up and savor the deliciousness. So that is how you will be able to order a cake on Walmart. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.